Good Sunday morning. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your frigid forecast for today and really for the next 48 hours. That is going to be a key window of brutally cold temperatures. Then, after those 48 hours, we start to thaw out. Temperatures start to warm up. Still chilly, no doubt. We're going to be in the 30s Tuesday afternoon. But hey, we're looking at the seasonal temperatures getting back to where we should be on Thursday. But for the next 48 hours, it is going to be not just frigid. It is going to be dangerously cold. That wind chill causing potential dangerous conditions if you're outside. Frostbite is one of the concerns, with wind chills dropping down to minus 20, minus 25 in and around the metro area. Up in the high country above about 9,000 feet, we're looking at dangerous wind chills anywhere from 35 below to 50 below. So let's take you outside right now for a live look out over downtown Denver. I'll tell you what, it looks gorgeous out. It is a beautiful day. We've got sunshine, traffic pretty smooth. It looks quite nice. It is just how it feels. It is bitterly cold again outside. Right now, we're actually at 14 degrees at DIA. So we are warming up, and it's because of that sunshine. Solar radiation is doing a great job at warming things up. In fact, just sit your car outside for a while. That solar radiation will warm up the inside of your car, but it is still quite cold out there. The wind chill 4 degrees. So it feels like it's 4 degrees. Winds out of the south about 7 miles per hour. But we are starting to warm up, certainly out of the negative territory across the plains at this 11 o'clock hour. We're in the single digits up in the high country as well, and certainly warmer out west, 19 degrees in Grand Junction. So today we're going to make it up to about 17 degrees for a high temperature. We're going to reach that in probably a couple hours. Maybe degree warmer than that again, and still no question cold out. We had some really just painful wind chills this morning, minus 20. We're going to see minus 19 overnight tonight. Not going to happen during the day, but as we head into the night, expect that to happen. Also some snow moving in as well. So we have another system moving in, bringing another surge of cold air and some snow, starting with flurries in the evening, and we have a band of snow moving in after about 9 o'clock tonight, as that is what it's looking like time-wise. Forecast highs again, teens, some low 20s across the plains. Lamar, 27 degrees for a high, 26 in La Junta, and temperatures in the single digits, teens up in the mountains. Taking a live look at our radar, we got sunshine out there right now, but we are going to see increasing clouds as we head into the afternoon out in front of a system moving in from the north, and that is going to start to bring us some snow. You don't see it here because we're not going to see any snow, like really any measurable snow until after about 9. May see some flakes flying, some just light flurries as we head into the 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock hour. But again, the snow not really looking like it's going to make its way to the metro area until after about 9 o'clock. So we're going to be reaching our high of 17 about 1 o'clock. We're going to stay there through 3, then we start to cool down as we head into the night. All right, forecast lows we're looking at. This is for tomorrow morning after we get that surge of cold air. So actually, let's go back. I want to just kind of point this out. That's kind of interesting. So we're actually going to warm up as we head into 7 o'clock, but then we're going to get another surge, that cold front moving through, and it's going to kind of, this Mother Nature's thinking, hey, you know what, I think we're done. I think we're going to warm up, and another cold front moves through, and that's going to drop those temperatures. So as we wake up tomorrow morning, it's going to be another bitterly cold day with temperatures dropping once again into negative territory. We're looking at an overnight low of -6, and then a very, very cold day, your MLK day, looking the coldest out of this bitter cold snap with a high of 6. We'll keep tracking that, but again, at this point, it's looking like we will top out in the single digits tomorrow. We have a cold weather advisory in effect. Again, wind chills, dangerously cold. So forecast highs, we're looking mainly single digits and teens across the plains tomorrow. Single digits in the high country, both above and below 0. I'm going to take this back again so we can kind of walk through our wind chill forecast. Again, not too bad during the day, but it's again overnight where we get those wind chills really dropping down into the negative territory. Up in the high country, we're looking at negative teens, possibly some areas at the higher elevations, again, negative 20, negative 30, possibly negative 40 wind chills, and certainly we're in the negative territory here in the metro area as well, which is why we have these cold weather alerts to talk about. Where you see there in light blue, that is a cold weather advisory that includes the urban corridor and up to the north and east, where temperatures as low as -10, but wind chill as low as -25. That is today, right now, through Tuesday morning. Where you see there in green, especially for the high country, we're looking at an extreme cold watch where wind chills as low as 35 to 50 degrees below. This is starts actually tomorrow through Tuesday morning. We're going to keep watching this. That could warm up a bit. But again, we're still expecting extremely cold wind chills as we head again tomorrow through Tuesday morning. So let's talk about the weather impact for these wind chills that are so chilly. We're talking about wind chills 15 to 25 degrees below zero. Frostbite can occur in these type of conditions in about 30 minutes. Of course, your best bet is to limit outdoor exposure for the next 48 hours. The other weather situation we're tracking is the snow moving in. We've gotten some scattered snow showers up in the high country as we head into the afternoon. Then as we head into the evening, again, we may see some flurries. Then after 9 o'clock, a band of snow makes its way through the metro area. We're looking at snow for Collins as well. Denver all the way down to Pueblo along I-25 overnight. So we'll be waking up to 1 to 2, possibly 3 inches in some areas, especially west of the metro area. But clearing out as we head into the 7, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock hour, and actually getting some sunshine once again. That'll help with that solar radiation, a little bit of warming as we head into the noon hour tomorrow. As for totals for snow, again, 1 to 2 inches here in the metro area, but higher accumulations as you get closer to the base of the foothills. Tonight, again, we talked about that cold weather advisory for the metro area in place. We get the snow developing late. Temperatures are going to drop to 6 below. Winds a little bit breezy out of the northeast, 20 miles per hour. All right, we've been tracking that cold air mass coming from the Arctic. This is just what is making for a miserable last couple of days, continuing to just seep down into our neck of the woods from northern Canada. And that's going to continue into tomorrow as well. But check it out, by Tuesday morning, this cold air retreats pretty quickly. So at this point, we're waking up to frigid temperatures. But once that air moves off to the east, it retreats to the east, leaving some pools, especially in the valleys of cold air, because that dense air takes a while to filter out. But we're going to see a little bit of a release. We got another little sneak peek of some cold air coming in on Wednesday, and that's going to keep us a little bit chilly. But again, that cold air moves out pretty quickly on Tuesday. So while we wake up to very, very cold temperatures in the negative single digits tomorrow, we're going to warm up to about 38 degrees for a high. We're looking probably mid to upper 30s for high temperatures on Tuesday. So again, tomorrow we're looking extremely cold with some morning snow, but again, that snow moving out after about 7, 8 o'clock. We'll see some sunshine. That'll help warm temperatures up just a little bit. But again, that cold air mass really settling in after we have that cold front moving through tonight. So it is going to be slow to warm. But once that air mass retreats off to the east, we do see those temperatures start to warm up pretty quickly. Again, temperatures warming up into the mid to upper 30s on Tuesday. Wednesday, mid 30s as well, as we get a kind of another surge of cold air. Not going to drop us down as much as that Arctic air, but again, still going to be a little bit chilly. 37 on Thursday. We're back to seasonal temperatures. Our normal for this time of the year is right around 45 degrees. So we're looking